Hey friends, today I have an afternoon power hour for you guys. I hope it gives you a ton of inspiration to tackle whatever it is you need to work on. So whether you are cleaning along with me or sitting down with a cup of coffee and watching, let's go ahead and get started. Kids are napping right now, and an hour is all that I have to tackle this mess. I started my entryway and just put things away, clean up some shoes and some coats. I'm also putting some Valentine's decor away since it's over and just having the existing decor out until I switch it over to spring and Easter, which I will be starting next week. Are you guys getting ready to decorate for spring? Do you typically decorate just for spring and then later add some Easter decor? Or are you decorating for both or neither? I would love to know. Let me know down in the comments. I will be decorating for both since Easter is fairly early this year and there's no point of decorating for both right at the beginning. Once the Easter stuff goes away, I will leave the spring stuff until summer, but I will be decorating it all together. I typically don't have a TV in my living room laying on the couch, but we were waiting for a repairman to come and pick it up because there was some glitching with the picture and it's still under warranty, so there was a guy coming to pick it up, so we had it just set up here for him to come and get it. So much stuff in this dining room. This is my formal dining room that needed to go downstairs. I was refinishing some furniture and still some Valentine's decor that needed to go down, so I like to put it all in a box so I'm not going up and down 100 times. This way I put everything in one box or a basket and take it down all at once. In my family, I just straighten everything out along with putting away Valentine's decor and sorted out pillows and clean up the never-ending dog toys. If you haven't had a chance to see my puppies, I have a one-year-old Bernese Newfie and a 4-month-old, the breed is called Tornjak. He is a Bosnian Croatian Shepherd dog, and they are both, well, my big guy is already big. He's close to 150 pounds at 1 year old, and the other guy is probably gonna get to about 120 at full grown. So they're both pretty big boys, but we love them so much. haven't had a chance to clean up the lunch dishes or the table off the from the lunch, so that's what I'm working on now. And then I move on into my kitchen, and which is very, very messy. It's been so hard to keep it clean since the kids are home doing the whole online learning. My daycare eats lunch here, we eat lunch, and we all eat lunch at a different time. Sometimes the dishwasher is not empty or done from breakfast to refill it right after lunch, so things just get piled on. So I just knew I needed to tackle this mess before I could even think about starting the dinner.
Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground.
If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and on this channel you will find tons of cleaning, organizing motivation, and also tons of decorating. So if this is something that you enjoy watching and you're not subscribed, I would love it if you considered becoming part of my YouTube family and pressing that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. There are lots of other places you can find me, and all the links will be in the description box if you want to check those out as well. So I'm all finished, and I have about 5 minutes left to sit down and collect my thoughts before kids start waking up. I am so pleased with all that I got done in this house today. I would like to thank you all for continuing support these past few months. It means the world to me. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would love to get to know you better. And I would like to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.